In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn lecture slides into a Word document effortlessly. This is a handy skill, especially for students or professionals who want to compile their presentations into a text document for easier reading or sharing. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to launch Microsoft PowerPoint. Once the application is open, go ahead and open the presentation that you need to convert. It's important to ensure that this presentation is in its final form, meaning all the slides should be accurately arranged and contain the necessary information. It's often helpful to quickly go through the slides to confirm that everything is in its proper place. With your slides set and ready to go, it's time to move to the next step. Click on the File menu in the upper left corner of PowerPoint. From there, select Export. Now, depending on which version of PowerPoint you're using, you might see an option like Send To. Within these options, look for Create Handouts or Create Handouts in Microsoft Word. This feature essentially prepares your slides to be transferred into a Word document layout. Upon clicking this option, a dialog box will appear that provides you with several layout choices. You have the opportunity to select notes next to slides if you want your slide notes displayed beside each slide. Alternatively, blank lines next to slides can be handy if you wish to manually write notes later. If you'd prefer your notes beneath each slide, choose Notes Below Slides. Lastly, the outline-only option is ideal for those who require a simplified text version featuring just the slide titles and content. Once you've decided on the layout that suits your needs, simply click OK to proceed. Following this, PowerPoint will prompt you regarding how you wish to paste the slides into Word. You're given two choices here. First, choosing Paste will create a static copy of the slides in Word, which won't update if changes are made to the original PowerPoint file later. On the other hand, selecting Paste Link maintains a connection between the Word document and the source slides, so any updates to the PowerPoint will automatically reflect in the Word document. Decide which option best meets your requirements and proceed accordingly. Your content will then open up in Word in the format you selected. The last step is to save this document. To do so, head to the File menu, select Save As, then choose your desired location. Make sure to save the file as a Word document, typically the .docx format. And there you have it, a seamless transfer of your presentation into a Word document. This method not only aids in accessibility, but also makes it simpler to distribute or print out the content in a more structured format.